Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Sports Management Software. The system is designed using VB.NET and the database used is SQL Server. The software sports management system is designed to store the records of the students of different colleges who participate in sports activities. It stores the state level players of different colleges under different sports. The system also stores the date and venue of the tournament of different sports. There are two users in the system, admin and the employee. The admin has the full authority over the system as well as the employee has limited access to the system. The admin must add the employees by giving the unique username and the password. The username and password given by the admin must be given manually to the employees. The employees must use the username and the password to log into their accounts. The admin must add the date and venue of the various tournaments that are to be held. The admin should make the student registration by entering the student personal details, college of the student, and the sports under which the student is going to take part. Admin can alter the tournament dates and venues, and also it can be deleted by the admin in case if the cancellation of tournaments is to be made. The employee can view the various games and the players who are to take part in those activities, and also the employee can view the various games to be held. The employees can also add the images of the sports events for each of the game activities. The employee can view the different players from different colleges by selecting each college, and also can view the students by taking part in different games by selecting the particular sports. On viewing the players of each college, the employee can add the best players of that college by selecting that particular student. The students selected as best players from each college will be taking part in state level sports. Hence, their names will appear in state level players list. Now let us log in as the admin. To log in as the admin, the user type must be selected as admin and the username and the password must be entered. By clicking on the login button, the admin will be logged in successfully. Under master in login registration, here the admin can add the different employees as well as the admins. While adding the employees or the admin, the user type must be selected, either admin or employee, and then the username and the password for that particular employee or the admin must be given by the admin. By clicking on register, the data will be inserted to the database and we can view it here, and the admin can also make changes to the database to any record just by clicking on the record and making the change and clicking on the update button. Now we can see that the data is updated, and just by clicking on the record and clicking on the delete button, the data will be deleted. In the student registration, here the students who wish to participate in the various sports, their details must be registered by the admin, the name of the student, the college from which the student has come, and the sport in which the student wants to take participation, and the date of birth of the student must be entered. On selecting the date of birth, the age of the student will be auto-generated and the gender of the student must be entered. By clicking on register, the student details will be added to the database. Under tournament, here the various tournaments must be selected by the admin and the date of the tournament must be finalized. And what is the venue of the tournament must be entered, and clicking on add, it will be added to the database. Now let us log out from the admin and let us log in as the employee. The employee must enter the username and the password which was provided by the admin at the time of registration. The username and password for the employee will be provided by the admin manually. Once the employee logs in under games, the employee can view the different games by clicking on the players. The employee can view the total number of players present in the various games. In the basketball, under players we can see there are 2 players to be take part in the basketball, and in the badminton there are 2 players, and the volleyball there is only 1 player. Under tournament, the employee can view the date and venue of the tournament. In the basketball tournament, here the date of the basketball sport and where is that held, and in the photos will be added. So for each sports the photos can be added, and the photos which are added can be deleted also. So every sports has the photos menu in which the admin can add the photos related to that particular sports, as well as the sports that when it is taking place, those photos can also be added. Under level in college, here by selecting the college name and by selecting the sports and clicking on search, the student from the particular college participating in the sports can be viewed. And there is best players option, where by selecting the college name and selecting the sports, the student list will be available, and among the list the best player can be selected. In the level in state level, here by selecting the sports, the state level players can be viewed here. So under different sports, who are the different state level players and who are the from which college they belong can be viewed. And also by selecting the college under best players, whoever's name is selected from the college as the best player, they will be available to view in the state level players list. So now if you check the state level list, we can see that the student whom we have selected as the best player is in the state level players list. So let us exit from the software.